pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way.
Hey guys, what's going on, y'all? We in Save-A-Lot. We done seen a yucca or a yucca. I think it's yucca, if I'm saying it right. Jordan didn't know what it was. But that's what it is.
I believe.
Don't listen to him. But yeah, $1.99. We just stopped in Save-A-Lot today in our discount store to show y'all one of our discount stores. I used to come to the one in Gulfport, not Gulfport, the one that they had in Bay St. Louis way back in the day. But that was some years ago. They got Southwest Ranch still. But yeah, we have not been here in forever. Okay. They turnips and stuff actually look decent. And they cilantro looks really nice. Okay then. Alright, okay. But everything looked the same from the last time I was in the Save-A-Lot. That prices is not bad at all. It's not. Hey, everybody trying to shop. Everybody is trying to shop on a budget. Oh, they got the honey flavored cornflakes. I ain't never seen them before. Honey flavored cornflakes.
Oh, they look good. How much they got? $5.
I'm assuming all three of them $5.99.
They got snacks. They got little snacks.
The what? You say ghetto snack? Because their brand is $2.49. The Pop-Tart brand is $4.99. Okay.
That's a huge difference, right?
It sure is. It's a huge difference. Huh?
Is that a brand?
Yeah, I guess so. Oh no, brand like.
That's what I'm saying. Brand plates. What is that?
Like the more healthier version, like the, you know what I mean? Like you cook it with grain. It's kind of like a grain, you know.
That ain't bad for the cinnamon toast crunch.
Oh, and it's the center crunch. All right. Not for the large size. It's not bad. And like the cocoa crunch, you think?
Crock crunch.
Berry. That don't say crock. That is croco.
I know what
Berry croco
I
crunch.
know it say croco, but I just said crock.
What are you talking about? Oh, how much is that Hawaiian punch? Let me see. It just say $2.99.
There's your favorite side right there.
You know I haven't even been eating no snacks. Don't do me.
I wouldn't buy it. They probably steal.
Yeah, but I have not been eating any snacks at all. He'll tell y'all that. I've been doing real good. Oh, they go the long stems. I remember my grandma and them used to have these. I haven't seen these things in so long. Yeah, the long stem matches. Boy, y'all ain't never had them back in the day. Every house here. That's them long ones. Y'all, let me tell y'all. My mama said this before, so I'm going to tell y'all. When my mama was pregnant for me, she used to burn matches and she used to eat them. Yep. Oh, these the small ones. I can't have matches at our house.
They $79. No, that means.
Oh, that's for the lighter. The one-pack lighter. Because Philip, one day we were smelling smoke and we was like, what the heck? Child, it was Philip. I guess he wanted to see how a match worked. And it scared him. Huh? Yeah, but that's not bad. If you need it for the grill. And that's the long stem. We never knew.
Sure, I can use it for the grill. Just strike it and throw it in there.
I guess so. Whoosh. I just seen the long stem. I ain't seen them things in so long. Man, what I'm going to do? I'm not going to play with no matches. I could have burnt that whole house down playing with a match. He's so silly. Well, this all the meat they got. They silly. I ain't gonna say what I ain't gonna ever eat because you don't never know. Times are hard nowadays. Shoot, it may come a time. That's just soda and bread. Let me see how much that bread is. Because you never know what you got to get and where you got to buy stuff from. Because you know how sometimes people will say,
That ain't bad. $1.39.
okay. Because people will say, oh, I ain't going to ever shop from there. Or I ain't going to ever shop from here. Well, they got my box red cream. Shout out to my bro. Shout out to my bro.
Oh, no. That's the metal.
How much are these? $7.19.
Those 3 for 11.
Oh, okay, for the Sprites. Hell, Sprites ain't gonna go bad, so you ain't gotta worry about that.
Eat your cake.
Oh, they got the same bread like this $1.79. They got the same bread like Rouse's
It
have.
smells fresh though. You smell it?
Mm-hmm. It's the okay catfish nuggets. Oh, that's what you were talking about?
Yeah.
Hey, you said catfish nuggets $4.99.
Look at him. I showed my brother that he would be in heaven because he liked that.
Oh, he like catfish nuggets? All right. Oh, they deliver. I didn't know. Okay, not offering delivery. I didn't know that. I think I seen a sign back there though. Did you know they deliver, babe?
This is my first time actually doing this one right here.
Okay, let's check out their paper towels. Huh? It would have to be over there by that, I guess. Oh, babe, I don't know. I have not been here in years. In years and years. So I don't know. Just the Kool-Aid packets? Oh, I don't know. Like I said, they went down here. Oh, that's the baby stuff. Well, you only got 2 more aisles to choose from. You got this one and that one. Canned meat, soups and vegetables, ketchup, pasta. Oh, here go. Oh man, these teas are good. I ain't gonna flex on it. The 4C iced tea, the peach. I've had the peach and the lemon, but I've never did the raspberry. But these are good. If you think the country time good, the 4C is way better. No, I'm not getting paid from them to say that. I'm just saying the 4C is really good. All right, well, I already done walked down here, so I'm finna show them the prices down here since I'm walking that way. Okay. Like I said, this pretty much like a lot of other places. Some stuff is going to be cheaper. I don't really use that brownie. You do?
Like you doing like oxtails, Jamaican style?
Well, I've never cooked oxtails. I have never cooked oxtails, y'all. Yeah, but Philip ain't gonna eat that one. My baby bougie. Oh, they gonna resend them jalapenos. They got they got a big can for $7.
I don't like when they come out.
But
I ain't saying nothing bad. It sound like what it come out.
Okay. Mama gumbo filet.
$2.79.
Oh, chicken sandwich coating. At home. All right. There you go, babe.
That's $1.69. Go ahead and get it. You know you want it.
I don't want it.
Oh, that's what I need.
What?
Put in that turkey.
It's $6. You can get it cheaper somewhere. There go your etouffee base. I seen these at Walmart. The pulled pork, but it's for your air fryer. All right, y'all. Well, that's it. We just came in here, like I said, to show y'all. That's basmati.
Basmati, balsamic, linguine. Hey,
What's up?
what's the cheeseburger? What is that?
That's like the hamburger helper.
Oh, knockoff.
They got the mama.
What is mine?
I think those are ramen noodles, but it's the mama brand. All right, y'all. What is it? That's all they got in here. All right, y'all. Yeah, like I said, we are leaving from Save-A-Lot. Y'all already know what Save-A-Lot looks like. I ain't nobody worry about your car. And it's out here. We out here in the Gulfport area. Oh, Lord. Yeah, the birds done attacked my baby car at the house. Y'all know we got trees around the house. But yeah, it's right out here on Pass Road. So those of y'all that's from Gulfport, y'all already know. I don't get a lot of stuff from here, but yeah. All right, y'all. Here they go. And this is just how they used to come. But like I said, it was just a black box. And they will come on, one box will come in a row like that. So they got a few different rolls. So I opened them up. And then you used to get your little plastic over it like this. So I done open it up. So I'm finna fry some. Deontay said he want me to fry him some. He said, yeah, mama, I remember. He said, because I used to ask you, do you have to fry all of them? And we used to eat them up. I said, yes, and we did. We used to put 4. Everybody used to get 4. And we would put 4 on a piece of bread and have us a sandwich with some mustard on it. I used to do that too. Just like you do. You know how y'all had the fried bologna?
This right here.
The burnt egg? Oh. Somebody want that one.
So good.